I'm on my trip to the heart of Onlineprinters, one of the largest and leading online print companies in Europe. I'm in the headquarters of Onlineprinters here in Fürth, Germany, and I have the chance to talk with Jürgen Winkler, who is the Chief Operating Officer here at Onlineprinters. So thanks, Jürgen, for
You're welcome here.
Taking the time to see me. And Jürgen, having the right machinery and the right people is a precondition to be effective and to be successful in this market. So you are a key conversation partner for me today. So when did you start your career at Onlineprinters, and which particular skills did you bring to the company?
6.5 years I started Onlineprinters and had a lot of experience before, and I switched directly from a computer to Onlineprinters. And in the past I started my career directly with a trainee program in Germany, and after then I have a study and work in a lot of position only in the print companies, in different print companies, and now I start here for 6.5 years.
How many people work in the production, are involved in the creation of your products in the company, and how many production sites do you have, and how many days per week, how many shifts do you work?
Yeah, in Neustadt, in the Onlineprinters production site, we have around 500 employees until in 5 different plants, only in Neustadt. And there we work normally 5 days and 3 shifts. In the winter time we work mostly 6 days and 3 shifts on 6 days. In summary, in Europe, in the complete group, we have around 1,100 employees until in 6 locations in complete Europe. Okay. And there we are work normally 5 days and 3 shifts.
Okay, it means that across all your subsidiaries, all your brands, you work in the same level.
Yeah. Yes. We are working the same level, we are work on the same machines, mostly we have the same systems on the production side. Yes, mostly the same.
Do you produce everything in-house, or do you also use external supplier?
Around 95% we are produce self, and the rest around 5 to 7% we produce with different suppliers for special things and so on. Yeah, the most we are produce self.
How do sales and of course your online shop affect your work, your operations in the production department? And on the contrary, what happens in production may affect the delivery times and the effectiveness of your online operations?
We are working very close to our sales department, and then we can every day we have a small conference between the 2 sides, and we talk. It is all possible, or we switch the delivery time, or we switch something more. And in the end of the week we have a chance to work on Saturday for 3 shifts. We have more shifts on weekend, and we can work a lot of jobs, and we can finish all jobs really close to the delivery date. I think that the most important thing is every time we talk with the sales team and the production team, and we are very close together.
How many different types of machines do you operate across the group?
Yeah, on the printing department we use offset printing machines and digital printing machines and inkjet. These are the 3 on the printing side. Mostly, or we are a big supplier from Heidelberg. We install a lot of Heidelberg units in the complete group. And the same thing is on the digital side. We are only use or installed HP machines. We installed the first 100K in Europe and the second one. And now we have 3 from the 100K. And the third one on the inkjet side, we have HP 253 presses and numbers 2 and 3 in Europe. Yeah, we install this. On the post press, we install a lot of folding machines from Horizon and Heidelberg too, guillotine from Polar and Heidelberg. And I think in summary, we are a very big company, and we have with all suppliers technical support or technical side, and we discuss many new things. We install new things. We have a lot of we call it better machines. The first machine in Europe. We install this, and
as you mentioned, you tend to have a certain uniformity in terms of installed base. You tend to repeat as soon as the volumes grow. You tend to replicate. To keep the same model, the same size.
Mostly we replied at the same machine to the new generation, and on this side we have 20 to 30% more productivity in the end. And on this way, when we replay some machines, we talk very often to the supplier for many things, and we fixed some small issues before we install the new version or the new machines, and this is a very good conversation to the supplier or between the supplier and us.
Do you have operators? Do you have technical people in the production department dedicated to a single task, to a particular type of machinery, or in the end everyone acquires the skills to operate more than one technology, so that your guys are interchangeable to some extent?
Yeah. We have a lot of employees that can have a lot of skills, and they can work on many types from machines. And our idea is, my idea is, we train so many employees, then we are very flexibility, and we can switch every day the shifts. We can switch every day the machines, and the idea is that all employees in our company, in our production site, can work on 3, 5 or more machines. Yeah, and we train every time. Yeah, the employees.
Downtimes can have a big impact, especially on an organization like yours. How do you manage, and how do you schedule the maintenance? And do you take care of maintenance by yourself, by your own maintenance team, or do you contract the maintenance out to your suppliers?
I will say we have 2 ways. One way is we have a contract with all suppliers for maintenance over all machines. We have a contract with Heidelberg, with HP, with Horizon, for all machine groups. And on the second way, on the second thing is we have a big maintenance group in our company, and they can fix some small issues or small things. And I think one point is they work together, not they learn and work together, and every day mostly we have some guys from maintenance team from our supplier on site on the machines, and they can fix very short the issues, and then the guys from our maintenance guys learn a lot of from the suppliers.
And Jürgen, what is your favorite machine, your favorite baby, if you have one, and or maybe, I don't know, the one you can operate yourself.
Yeah, and normally I don't have a baby or a favorite machine, but when the question is on which machine I will like to work, I will say it's the new inkjet machine from HP, the 250, the T250. And I think the machine is very, very important for me, that the quality is perfect, the speed is very, very good, and this is my small baby. But we have a lot of interesting and very good machines, but this is now my baby, yeah.
So would you affirm that high-speed inkjet right now, today, can really be a game changer in the, I don't know, in some ways in the partial replacement of existing litho and digital sheet-fed printing?
I think it is very expressive, and I will say the point or between offset and digital printing, this is perfect. The inkjet quality and the inkjet machine is perfect for this. Between these two systems, printing systems, and I think in the future we have more and more jobs we can print on inkjet. The quality grow up for many years, and I think the next months more and more. And I will say for our business and in general is a perfect thing between digital printing and offset printing. And now we are mixed all three things. We are mixed digital printing with inkjet printing and inkjet with offset and offset with digital, and we mix it every day, and it works very, very good.
Thanks, Jürgen. Thanks for this insight in the production plans of online printing.
Thank you very much for your time, and